Good morning, one and all. Previous class we discussed about human resource meaning, population distribution, and as well as which countries are mostly populated. Today we are going to discuss about the density of population. Population density is the number of people living in a unit area of the earth surface is called the density of population. How the population density is expressed? It means per square kilometers. One thing, on the basis of 2011 census, 382 persons are living per square kilometer. The average density of population, in the whole world, 51 persons per square kilometers. What I told you just now, 382 persons are living per square kilometer on the basis of 2011 census in our India. Now here see, the average density of population in the whole world, 51 persons are living per square kilometer. See, in the South Central Asia has the highest density of population, followed by East and Southeast Asia. Point, factors affecting distribution of population. What is that? Factors affecting distribution of population. Under this, geographical factors, social cultural factors, economic factors. What are they? Geographical factors, social cultural factors, economic factors. First of all, we will learn about this one, geographical factors. Geographical factors: topography, climate, soil, water, minerals. See, what is meant by topography? The topography is the arrangement of the natural and physical artificial features of an area. What is the topography meaning? The arrangement of an natural and physical features of an area. See, most of the people prefer to live on plain areas rather than the mountains and plateaus, because at that place, plain areas, the people are getting mostly water, and they want to move when they want to move from one place to another place. The plain areas are the suitable areas. So that is why the people prefer to live on plain areas rather than the mountains and the plateau areas. See, the suitable for farming also. See, farming, manufacturing and service activities. For this cause, the people want to prefer to live on plain areas. In our India, some most plain areas are there, like Ganga plains. This is the most plain area, the Ganga plain. And worldwide, Alps, Andes, Himalayas are the sparsely populated. These places I will show on the map. Just wait. See, Ganga plains are the most important plains in our India. See, in this area, the people want to live. Next, Alps, Andes, Himalayas are sparsely populated. It means the people want to live here as low level population. Next, coming to the point, climate. Climate, as you know about, all the people wants to live a certain climatic situation areas. They are avoiding very cold areas and very hot areas like deserts and polar region areas. Polar region areas. See, the people avoid extreme climate like very cold and hot. See, like Sahara is the desert. Is here. This Sahara is located in Africa continent. Here, this Sahara having very high level climatic situations. Next, polar regions. Polar regions of Russia, Canada, Antarctica. In these places, the people wants to live in a spacely. Next, coming to the point, soil. Soil. Mostly the people want to farming in mainly fertile soil. On the fertile soil, the people want to growing crops. See, fertile plains are such as like Ganga, Brahmaputra in our India. In our India, the fertile soil plains like Ganga, Brahmaputra. These two are very important plain areas in our India. Next, coming to the point, Nile. The Nile in Egypt. Minerals. Minerals. Areas with mineral deposits are more populated. For example, diamond mines of South Africa and discovery of oil in the Middle East. This leads to the settle of the people in these areas. So these are the sub topics under the geographical factors. So in these geographical factors, the population is distribution mainly. So these geographical factors are one of the affecting distribution of population. Next, coming to the point, social cultural factors. Social cultural factors. These social cultural factors also one of the factor affecting distribution of population. Here see, where the people have better housing, education, health are more densely populated. See, where the people are wanted or prefer mainly better housing, education, health are more densely populated. For example, Pune in our India. Say, next, some of the very important places also attracted to the people, like regions places. For example, Varanasi in the Uttar Pradesh. Varanasi in the Uttar Pradesh for Hindus are attracting most important place. Next, Jerusalem. Next, Jerusalem, Vatican City. These three places are the very important and attractive places of the people. See, next, economical factors. Economic factors is also one of the distribution of population. See, the industrial areas, where the industrial areas are providing to the people like employment opportunities, that place the people are living. See, for example, Osaka, it is in the Japan. Osaka, it is in the Japan. So next, Mumbai, it is in the India. So these two are also mostly, densely populated areas. So what are they? Osaka in Japan, Mumbai in India. These two are also mostly populated densely areas. So this is the information about factors affecting distribution of population. Tomorrow we will go to discuss about another subtopic under the human resource. See, today we discussed about human resource. What are they? Density of population and factors affecting distribution of population. Density of population, What is the meaning of density of population? How much people are living per square kilometers. Next, factors affecting distribution. What are the factors affecting distribution of population? Like geographical factors, social and cultural factors, economic factors. See, today task, I want to give small task for you. What is that? See, write about factors affecting distribution of population. Factors affecting distribution of population. Write about factors affecting distribution of population. Thank you. Now listen, in our topic, from India, some different places they have given. See, Himalayas. These Himalayas are spreading from Jammu and Kashmir to Assam. See here, Himalayas. These Himalayas are spreading from Jammu and Kashmir to Assam. Next, another one they asked, Varanasi. This Varanasi, it is located in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, Varanasi. Next, Ganga and Brahmaputra plains. See here, this total green shading area is called Ganga and Brahmaputra plains. This total area, green shading area. Next, Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. See here, Mumbai. Next, Pune. Pune. See, these are places given in the topic, and as well as this green area, I mean Ganga and Brahmaputra shading area. Next, Varanasi. Next, Mumbai, Pune. In these places, the people are living in mostly. Next, Himalayas. Very less people are living in the Himalayas. See here, on the world map, here showing some different places and as well as mountains, ranges also. Here these places are the mostly affected, I mean population distributed affected places. Russia, Osaka, it is in the Japan. Osaka, it is in the Japan. Changjiang river in the China. Jerusalem, Jerusalem, it is the most populous place for Christianity. Next, Middle East, Middle East in the Saudi Arabia. This is the Saudi Arabia. In Saudi Arabia, Middle East. Next, Nile River, it is in the Egypt. From Egypt to the Nile River is flowing from North Africa to south side of the Africa. See here, this Nile River. Next, South Africa. South Africa, it is in the African continent. South Africa. South Africa. Next, Vatican City. Vatican City here. This here. Vatican City. The Vatican City also one of the most affected factor for affecting distribution of population. Next, the Alps, the Alps mountains, the Alps mountains. See here, this is the Alps mountains. Here the Alps mountains. Next, Andes, the Andes mountain range. This is the Andes mountain range in the South American continent. South America, this is the South American continent. Here, the Andes mountain range. Next, polar regions. Polar regions. I told you already one of the places, that is Russia. This is also one of the polar region range. Next, Canada. This green color shading. Canada. Next, under the world map we are seeing here Antarctica continent. Antarctica. This is also one of the polar region. One of the polar region. So these many places are also affecting the distribution of population.